Surrounded by a canopy of majestic greenery amongst other multi-million-dollar homes, welcome to 7 Dorset Street, an impressive executive home nestled within the prestigious Westlake Estates enclave of rural Bowmanville's Solina community. The property showcases a huge circular driveway with more than abundant exterior parking, the home having an attached triple-car garage in addition to a detached triple-car garage with an upper-level guest suite. Landscaped extensively front and back, mature evergreens and seasonal shade trees surround the property, bringing exceptional privacy, while interlocking stone and armor stones are interspersed with lush gardens of greenery. And hidden amongst this nature-inspired outdoor retreat is an entertainer's dream backyard and its adjacent pool area. Through the stately front entrance is a main level that showcases generously sized entertaining spaces with floor-to-ceiling arched windows that flood natural light into these rooms. With some of the exceptional appointments including tiled flooring, some which is laid on the diagonal, Brazilian cherry hardwood flooring with inlay accent borders in the living and dining room floors, crown moldings, wainscoting and upgraded baseboards, as well as pot lighting, chandeliers, wall sconces, and exquisite flush mount lighting. Half walls with decor columns grace the entry into the sunken living room, where a box beam style vaulted ceiling highlights the Palladian window, accentuating the grandeur of the room. The window surrounding a gas fireplace with a stone mantel that spreads cozy warmth throughout this space. A home chef's delight, the gorgeous gourmet kitchen is a showpiece of luxurious design and exceptional functionality. Above the gathering space of the peninsula with its seating and the working space of the octagonal-shaped island are suspended ceilings with pot lighting. The kitchen also has 2 stainless steel sinks, one being a handy prep sink, and stainless steel appliances include a side-by-side fridge freezer, a built-in dishwasher, built-in wall oven and microwave, as well as a 5-burner gas cooktop. The kitchen also has convenient access to the dining room just down the hallway. This formal entertaining space showcasing picture frame upper wall trims, a custom window treatment, a scrolled metal chandelier suspended from a barrel vaulted ceiling that has been painted in a dark contrasting shade and finished with white trim work, and a half wall that opens it to the foyer, the wall also an indoor planter. Completing the kitchen are creamy colored quartz counters and backsplashes that blend beautifully with the light colored cabinetry. The cabinetry featuring extended height uppers with crown moldings and accent lighting, and impressive storage that includes a pantry. The breakfast area also has a box beam style vaulted ceiling, suspended from which is a gorgeous chandelier. And the walkout from here opens onto a huge raised deck offering plenty of space for seating and dining areas. Its wooden glass railing allowing views of the backyard and pool area to remain unobstructed. Off one of the side hallways in the east wing of the home is where you find a storage closet next to the main level's 3rd bedroom, which has a double closet, a beautiful chandelier, and a wood window seat with the 2 corner windows, as well as a 3-piece common use washroom, which has a tiled wall surrounding its toilet and a corner glass shower. These 3 rooms, plus the laundry, powder, and the 2nd bedroom, all having stained glass transoms above their entry doors. The second bedroom features a contemporary chandelier, a double closet, and a custom window treatment. While off another side hallway is a coat closet, a laundry room with cabinetry and closet storage, as well as a front-load washer and dryer, a powder room with a tiled wall surrounding its toilet, and access to the attached triple-car garage. This hallway also accessible via a secondary front entrance and having a secondary staircase to the lower level, as well as a hardwood staircase to a large loft area above the attached garage. This loft features hardwood flooring and track lighting, has 3 dormer windows, and has access to 3 separate storage areas, with this space well suited as a bedroom, an office, a fitness studio, or a recreation area for older children. Behind the privacy of double doors is the luxurious master suite. Illuminated by the glow of an elegant crystal and metal chandelier and complementary bedside ceiling lights, this stunning personal retreat showcases an accent wall in a dark color contrasting with the light decor, a sitting area by a bay window overlooking the front yard greenery, as well as a corner media unit, its tiled accent facade, and faux columns surrounding a gas fireplace. Along the hall to the ensuite washroom are 2 walk-in closets, with this spa-like haven of peace and relaxation showcasing a jetted tub with a vaulted ceiling above, the backyard greenery visible through its arched window adding to the tranquility of the space, a toilet and bidet, tiled finishes throughout, an oversized glass shower, as well as 2 separate vanities, one which includes a makeup vanity. Above the curved hardwood staircase is an impressive crystal chandelier. The foyer's tiled floor has a subtle floral inlay design. The main coat closet has mirrored panels with its doors, and the staircase leads to a fully finished lower level that is an indoor entertaining oasis. Its massive recreation area has an open concept layout and is the place to enjoy time with family and friends, whether it be large-scale gatherings or intimate get-togethers. The main seating area is centered around the coziness of a gas fireplace, featuring a stone mantel and hearth finished with wood accent trims. The games area has plenty of room for a pool table and a ping pong table, with more than enough space for seating and spectating. And the wood wet bar showcases a stone bar front and back wall, a stainless steel sink, plus a tiled interior counter with a mirrored backsplash. showcasing wainscoting, pot lighting, wall sconces, crown moldings, and above-grade windows. Much of this space is finished with cozy broadloom and has 3 separate garden door walkouts to the backyard. There is also an abundance of storage on this level, as well as a separate bar cabinet with a built-in beverage fridge, a spacious bedroom with a vintage-style chandelier and a large double closet, a 4-piece washroom with tiled and glass block finishes, and a fitness area that is complete with a sauna. Above the detached garage is an apartment that gives guests their own living space and privacy, especially for extended or long-term visits. Very bright, having an open concept layout, yet still feeling quite cozy. This suite features large arched windows with exposures on all sides for ample natural light, Berber broadloom throughout with a gas fireplace for added warmth, a kitchen with a sink, bar fridge, and a stove, as well as a 4-piece washroom. The property also has 2 storage sheds and a multitude of spaces to enjoy the sights and sounds of the outstanding backyard retreat, one of which is a charming sitting area that overlooks the in-ground pool. Fully fenced and enjoying amazing privacy, the pool is surrounded by both a concrete deck and interlocking stone, allowing for numerous places to sit and relax after a summertime swim, while the soothing sounds of its companion waterfall enhances the sense of calmness felt within this space. Across the yard is the timeless charm of a wood gazebo that has a vintage-style candelabra chandelier. And partially covered by the raised deck off the kitchen area is the huge entertaining space of the ground-level interlocking stone patio, which includes the year-round enjoyment of a hot tub and a wood-burning fire pit. Nestled within an exclusive enclave that is surrounded by a quintessential rural setting, this exceptional home offers a lifestyle of peace and tranquility away from the hustle and bustle of urban living. Yet with quick access to highways 407 and the 418, city centers and major amenities are just short drives away.